Hello dear students, today I'll show you a activity based on the how the path of light will change when it travel from one medium to another medium. In the given activity I'll show you a convex lens, which is also known as converging lens. The light rays are coming parallel to principal axis. They all are convergent focus. These all rays are convergent focus. This is the way to find out the focal length of the convex lens. These all rays converge in front of the lens. So that's why convex lens is also known as converging lens. When we incident the light on principal axis, so there is no deviation takes place. Now in this case we are using concave lens. The light rays are coming parallel and they are diverge. That causes this is known as diverging lens. These light rays are converging behind the lens. You all see when light rays are coming parallel, they are deviated, and when we incident the light ray on principal axis, there is no deviation takes place. So this is the how light rays can change its path when it passes through a concave lens or convex lens. These light rays are diverging and they merge in behind the lens. Now this is the example, this is the activity of concave mirror. When light rays are coming parallel, they all are converged in front of the mirror at focus and form highly diminished image and point size image we can say. So these all light rays are coming parallel and they merge in front of the mirror. So this is convex mirror. Now this is a band of 7 different colors through a prism. When light ray passes through a prism, it converts into 7 different colors. This is the band of 7 colors, dispersion of light. Now this activity represents when light ray travel from air to glass, it changes its path.
Deviation in light.
There is a little bit deviation in its path because they have different refractive index. When light ray travel from air to glass prism or glass slab, it changes its paths, and the initial path is parallel to the final path. So these all are activities related to the chapter light reflection and